Hello guys, a quick video really about the Asian range. I'm always looking for sort of safe, reliable, consistent ways of trading anything really, and cryptos, as you know, has been a bit of a weekend project for me for probably best part of 3 months now. Asian range, 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. UK time, and for whatever reason it moves big time. All the cryptos do probably, but well, we can put BTC USD on there. Yeah, you could say get a clear close through it, so that was a failed breakout, didn't close through it, price reversed off of it, closed through it. You've probably got triggers on all sorts of time frames here, but even if you'd just taken waited for the breakout with momentum, and then these moves are massive, they're absolutely massive, so if you can't make a few pips out of those, I don't know what you can do. 34 pips in one candle, that's BTC USD. But going back on the ETH USD, as you can see, that one was a 92 pip candle. Perhaps I got that candle, maybe it was 340 pips on BTC USD. I don't like it anyway, prefer to use this one. Close through, boom, moves up. Probably could have been entered on, I don't trade H1 triggers, but what I do like to see is something like this here, an H1 bust, pullback, break and close, and the lower time frames you can clearly see you would have had a 3 candle reversal, and off it went. Close through the Asian high here, boom, sorry, I should stop saying boom, but boom, 48 pips, and it goes on. What's gone on there? So this did close through it, you can just see it's closed through there, and then you would have used the lower time frames for an entry with another 40-50 pip move. So if you can't make 10 pips out of these things, then you've got to be pretty crazy. But we also know that we can trade to it, we can trade off of it using the lower time frames. I mean, even that move there would have given you, if you timed it properly, you've got the bust, pullback, break and close, plus it's through the 20 level, and that's probably about 10 pips or so in there, 16 pips. Trouble is the spread's quite large on this, so that might not have been worth doing. But if you can, if you're in the Asian session, then this is a gimme. I'm certainly not starting to work Saturday nights and Sunday nights just for the sake of proving that it can be done. But once again, H1 closed through, up it goes. This one, bit of a nasty day there, that would have failed on you. So but you can clearly see a pattern. What's happened here now is we've gone into British summertime, so unfortunately that range won't show up on there, but you get the picture anyway. These range plays are there's no coincidence that it's bashed it, pulled back, bashed it again, pulled back, bashed it again. So even if you on the lower time frames, it didn't close through on the M30, and I'm flying by the seat of my pants now, seeing if this did in fact. So yeah, we finally closed on the M15 there with a power move, if you like. So the way to have traded it would have been to drop down, you put the dotted line on the new bar, watch the pullback, and in this instance it just went straight up. Then we've pulled back, and finally you probably could have got involved in a move at this point here. I was messing around with horses and all sorts again this afternoon, so missed a lot of moves, but still managed to get 4 or 5 or 6 winning trades. So it's certainly doable. Let's have a look, see if M1 would have given us an entry on that dotted line there. So there's the pullback. Whoops. So this is the new bar. I don't know why this is playing up. New bar, and there's your momentum trigger there. So some people play like the wicks don't lie guys, play the break of the high. That's fine if you played the break of the high, because at this stage this is like a coiled spring. You've got to remember, when you're trading 3 candle reversals combined with the RSI, you are at the point when you consider entering, because you've ticked all your boxes and dotted the I's and crossed the T's, as it were. You are entering at the point that the price is ready to go, because all the algos, because that's what I believe run these charts. Well, people say, cleverer people than me say 70% of the time it's the algorithms that do this, so I've got every reason to believe them. If you traded the break of that high, that was a 40 pip move. If you can't get 7 or 8 or 9 pips out of that, then with absolutely no drawdown, remember we're on a 1 minute chart here, then you know, it's just a question of practice and believe what you're looking at, you know. So Asian session breakouts, Asian session tests, you know how much I like them during the weekdays, and it seems that they are proving pretty reliable during the weekend as well. So thanks for watching, have a great day.